I am!
Oh, me too. I'm starving.
I'm starving more!
Now for the finishing touch, my secret ingredient. I don't want to reveal what it is, so please close your eyes. Has anybody seen the vinegar?
Is vinegar your secret ingredient?
Nice try, Angela.
Ooh, you guys. The CEO is having a birthday party, and we're invited.
Wait, how did we get an invite?
Well, let's just say that someone hacked into the guest list and added our names.
Ahem.
Fine, Ginger hacked the guest list, but I asked him to.
It was so easy.
Oh, you guys are gonna get into so much trouble.
Not when we show up to his party with our newest invention, the trampoline. This